Hey guys, it's VertiBox Gaming here, and today we are doing another glitch on Jailbreak episodes with Icron and not his little bro, I guess this time. That's sad. What happened to your bro, dude?
What, dude?
Why did your bro leave the game?
I don't know, because he's tired.
Makes sense. View. Almost just leaked my last name. That was close.
And where are you?
Dude, I almost leaked my last name.
You want to race then?
I guess. I don't know. The problem is, the bad thing about the full bike is you can't put engine levels on. Run for my flipping life right now. Meet me at $1 Million dealership. Actually, no, after the video, dude. We'll do it after the video. Okay? Meet me at bank, okay? Dude. This flipping Camaro is going so fast I just used rocket fuel for the first time. Woohoo! I couldn't meet me. Okay, guys, so this is the glitch. You crawl down. I think this works better with a boy package than any other package. Punch. Opens the hatch. Go down. Go like this. Crawl. Over. Punch it. Then get in. And then you go over here. Then you go like this. Get the place dynamite. You have to crawl like this. Or higher up. Okay, placing dynamite.
How do you place the dynamite?
You hold E.
And like, where do you have to stand?
You have to be you have to be crawling on top of the middle bar. Okay, then you run up here. You can do this even when the bank is closed, but if you run up the steps like this far, it will kick you out. Go like this. There, bank robbery started.
Dude, I can't run way faster, but I'll put it down low to keep it glitching out.
Up here comes police.
Dude, after robbing the bank, go to the 1 million.
No! Flip! Again! Okay, guys, you guys saw the glitch. See you guys. See you later. Peace. Hold on.